This is Buddy's first blizzard. He's going to be taking his doggy out to fall.
Rollo, let's go. Is this a drift right here?
What do you mean a drift?
Look at that, that's huge. Rollo, go to your bathroom.
Daddy have to go with him.
I'm not going with him. Go on, go to your bathroom. What are you afraid of?
He's not going to go down. He's going to sink.
Have you looked outside that door?
Oh no, no, push him.
Go to your bathroom.
Oh my gosh, he can't walk.
I'll help you out, big guy. Hold on.
Buddy, why don't you go out? No, you can't go out that way. It's...
I understand. I'm gonna
Well,
get the
actually,
shovel,
you can. They already
and
shoveled.
I'm gonna provide him a path.